I'm Craig from TruckSmart Isuzu in Morrisville, Pennsylvania. Showing you today a 2013 Freightliner. It's a wallboard truck. Perfect for drywall guys, especially in the construction business and high rises for getting up to high spots. It's an 84,000 GVWR truck, so make sure you have your CDL license when you're driving this truck. We're looking at it. It's got 78,000 miles on it right now. It is a 10-speed manual transmission. I'm going to take you for a walk around it. It's what they consider an 8x4. Toolbox over here. Got your ratchet strap tie downs all down this side. Ton capacity for weight on the crane. And if you walk around the front here, you'll see that there's a top control station to work the crane system. Inside, you have your air brakes. You also have, like I was saying earlier, a 10-speed manual transmission. With only 78,000 miles, it's a great truck.